Buckwheat or kuttu is not a millet but a gluten-free pseudo cereal. 100 grams of buckwheat provides 323 kilocalories, 65 grams of carbohydrates. It is also a very rich source of dietary fiber, that is 10 grams. Also provides 10 grams of protein, a very rich source of iron, even better than bajra, and provides up to 92% of the IDA requirements. Now coming to B vitamins, it is a very rich source of vitamin B1 or thiamine. Vitamin B1 is essential for nerve function. For vitamin B2 it provides 24% IDA. For vitamin B3 or niacin, it's a decent source and provides 27% IDA. Buckwheat is also a very rich source of magnesium and fulfills 67% of the IDA requirements. A decent source of potassium, and on the downside it is quite high in phytate, which is 322 mg. Buckwheat is also a very rich source of two amino acids, that is lysine and arginine. Now lysine is an essential amino acid that helps the body absorb calcium, iron and zinc. It also promotes collagen growth. According to one study on 50 healthy people, both lysine as well as arginine help lower the stress, induce anxiety and also lowered the stress hormone cortisol. In PCOS, there are excess male hormone called androgen. This hormone imbalance causes them to skip menstrual period and make it harder for the woman to get pregnant. Majority of the women with PCOS have insulin resistance or high insulin. Too much insulin generates inflammation and causes weight gain and subsequently type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. The PCOS symptom that I have shown here, it is called as hyperandrogenism. It is a medical condition which is characterized by high level of androgens or male hormones in females. The symptoms include acne, hair loss on the scalp, excess body or facial hair and infrequent menstruation. Now to get rid of these conditions, buckwheat is very helpful. D-chiroinositol, which is a compound in buckwheat, it lowers the blood sugar level and it improves insulin sensitivity. It has also been shown to reduce PCOS symptoms such as hyperandrogenism when combined with myo-inositol, which is another form of inositol. Among cereals and pseudo cereals, buckwheat is the richest source of rutin. Rutin is a compound in buckwheat that promotes the formation of blood clots and decreases inflammation as well as blood pressure. So consuming buckwheat can reduce CVD conditions significantly. Vitexin is a flavonoid in buckwheat that contributes to neuroprotective factors that protects against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, etc. Now, Alzheimer's is a disease or a type of dementia wherein there are death of brain cells or neurons. Vitexin has been found to improve cognitive function or improve motor impairment. If you like my content, hit like and subscribe my YouTube channel Nutrivit and spread the good word. Thank you.